18th century, European powers began to develop ironclad battleships in order to replace their now obsolete wooden battleships. During this push, some countries decided to test out new features and styles, yet none were quite as outlandish as those used on the Russian monitor Novgorod. Completed in 1874, it was more or less built in the shape of a Frisbee, with the reason for this being because this shape allowed the ship to be very wide for its size. This in turn would increase its buoyancy, with the theoretical implication being that this ship could load far more weapons on board than its similarly sized competitors. Now, on one hand, this certainly was the case. After all, its armament of two 11-inch rifled muzzle-loading guns was pretty serious for its size at the time. However, the Novgorod's perfectly round shape meant it was an inefficient vessel at sea, as its top speed was a pathetic 6.5 knots, while its slow turning radius meant that it was unable to engage moving targets for long periods of time. As a result, the ship was relegated to the Coast Guard, where it served in this capacity acceptably well until its